Later in life, Alfred married Rita, who was also a singer and an actress while she was still in her teens. She joined the popular drama artists in Alfred Rose's Munis Vodyansar in 1963 and created a sensation in the music world. From then, she has never looked back. She's been around the globe with Alfred entertaining the masses. She provided him with her full support and was his inspiration. Alfred and Rita have been blessed with 3 children, Schubert, Engelbert and Alria. Like father, all his 3 children are music lovers. They were the first Goan family to appear on Doordarshan. Alfred Rose, after performing in several Konkan theatres and musical shows, started out with his own popular hits in the 1950s like Sui Sut Anikator, Dev Nidonkna. He also performed charmingly on the All India Radio and on the airwaves of Portuguese-run pre-1961 Emissora de Goa. Alfred Rose is also a celebrated film star who has acted and composed the music in many Konkani films. Some of them are Amche Noship, Sukache Sopon and Boglant. Alfred Rose has written and published 2 Konkani novels and 10 Konkani songbooks. He was a pioneer in many Konkani musical performances. Alfred Rose and his troupe of theatres have travelled to London and produced a famous Konkani long play record called London So Moog with English musicians of the United Kingdom. He issued the very first Konkani audio cassette in 1978 and till date has produced 40 Konkani cassettes. And even when he was sick in the last years of his life, he was working on 2 more cassettes. Alfred Rose not only composes his lyrics and music, but also orchestrates his songs tunefully. His audio cassettes are a one-man show. There are singers in the world who can sing but cannot compose their own songs. There are those who can sing and compose but can't put melody to it. But Alfred Rose had it all and has done it nearly for 5 decades. His songs are being recalled in the minds of millions of Konkani and non-Konkani speaking masses in India and abroad. Alfred Rose has got many firsts to his credit. The first Goan to have his English songs aired on Radio Ceylon. The first visiting professional to stage his shows in Abu Dhabi in 1970. The first Goan to sing over radio in Abu Dhabi, Kuwait, Beirut and Qatar. The first Goan dramatist to stage a show in London in 1978. He sang the first Konkani song on Doordarshan, produced the first Konkani audio cassette and was the proud producer of the first Konkani non-stop musical show. The Goa FM station was opened with a sensational song. He was showered with many titles such as The Man with the Golden Voice by HMV, Sangeet Sagar by Mando Shoban in Mangalore, and Goa's Melody King unanimously. Due to his immense contribution to Konkani music, Sri Alfred Rose, after his death, has been given the Goa State Cultural Award by the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar in December 2003. The local Konkani Seva Kendra in various parts of Goa have spontaneously felicitated and honored him in every part of Goa. There was also a proposal by Goa's ex-Minister of Tourism, Mrs. Victoria Fernandez, to name the Kala Academy's Open Auditorium in Goa after Alfred Rose. After a brilliant career as a singer, stage actor, producer, director and also as a Konkani writer, Sri Alfred Rose unfortunately suffered a stroke around the year 2000. He succumbed to death on 21st October 2003, closing a long and glorious chapter in the Goan Konkani music. Alfred Rose will always live in our hearts through his songs. He's been a pioneer, paving the way for the younger enthusiastic artists to follow. Even today, many young artists try to imitate his style and showmanship, proving to the music world that he is the idol of the Goan community and a true singing legend. We miss and love you, Alfie. Ladies and gentlemen, the St. Anne's Church Club Ponda salutes the unrivaled legend of Goa.
Alfred Rose, Songita Chawaura, Aplo Agro Pusto Bolo, Songit non-stop show, Tosots musical show, Palkar Puilo Tani da Kuilo, Ukri Cassette Puili, Tani Kali, -1 track show, Palkar Carlo, London Gulf Africa, USA Canada, Alfred Rose Poro, Gorcarita Rosazo, Uscan Bollo Bapui, Schubert Engel al Rialto, Tosotic Borois, Tohamzo Soglianzo.